Hi everyone. Today I will be discussing about what has happened between India and China at 15th of June night and what steps Indian government should take in order to contain China permanently. Remember I am saying permanently. And as an Indian citizen what we should do in order to contribute for containing China. Yes, as an Indian citizen we should have some duties and we can also contribute a small amount in order to contain China. And before going to the topic, I am saying something about Indian leftist and the people who do not voted for current government. It is high time for you people to support Indian government and Indian army because Modi is a not a country. Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a not a country. If country there, be all there. If country will not be there, you will not be there. And if you have any confusion about that, please go and read about Syria, Iraq, what has happened. You will come to know real truth of your thoughts, what you kept in your mind. I am not saying everyone who do not voted for present government is thinking same, but some of peoples are there. They are already started to ask question. This is high time to support Indian government and Indian army. I am requesting you people. After few days, you may raise questions, whatever you want. It's not a problem. Here, freedom of speech is there. Now, I am telling what has happened. Actually, as of now, we all know about that violent face-off has happened at 15th of June night, midnight, between Indian and Chinese soldiers, and finally, India lost 20 soldiers. Means Indian 20 soldiers are martyred, and nearly 43 casualty of Chinese has happened according to media reports of ANI. Casualty, which means I am saying some of them died and some of them seriously injured. Certainly, some of them died because and more than India. It's also possibility because we have brave soldiers. We are not weak, as all of you know. Due to them, we are living. Due to our brave soldiers, we are living peacefully in our homes. Whatever we live, due to them only. So, Indian soldiers also given them befitting reply. China came to know that whatever our government is doing and whatever decision our government is taking and whatever things and ground reality our Indian army is taking and Indian army is whatever step is taking, whatever decision will take, that's in their field of area. Yes, and they are doing their best in order to contain China. Hope war will not begin. Yes, but if China will erupt like that, we will give the befitting reply. And I am leaving that to Indian government and Indian army. Whatever necessary steps is necessary, they will take that. Now I am going to tell about what step India should take in order to contain China. First of all, we should not believe now in one China policy. Indian government should not believe in one China policy, which means we will be supporting Taiwan at any cost, in every possible way. Whatever we can give to Taiwan, we will give, and we should make diplomatic relation with Taiwan, and we should give a status Taiwan as an independent country. We should accept that first thing, and whatever support Taiwan needs in order to become member of international organization like WHO, United Nations, and whatever organization may be, India should give support to Taiwan. First thing. Second thing, India should, whatever China is doing human right violations in Tibet, India should give human right violation in Hong Kong. I will come to Tibet next. Hong Kong. What India should do is, India should tell, give some briefing. Indian government should give some official statement about that. And if any move world takes against of China for a Hong Kong, India should support that. Yes, China is trying to cancel the autonomous status of Hong Kong and they are killing democracy there. It's high time for India to support them. Second thing. Third thing, US lawmaker. US lawmaker is willing to give independent means to make Tibet as an independent nations. India should also support that and India should give Tibet as a independent nation. A status. India should give a status for a Tibet as an independent nation. That is third thing. And as of now, we all of you know that China is thinking that India is a small country like what they did in South China Sea. They have captured exclusive economic zone of Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei. Yeah, and they make own an artificial island in the sea. You all of you know India is not a small country. We have biggest army. Yes, we have biggest army now, and we are capable to give a befitting reply as we given at 15 June of night. Yes, we have given you. So what India should do is India should support Vietnam. Yeah, whatever possible way is there, India should support Vietnam. India should give patrol boats. Already have given. India should give BrahMostra missile. If Vietnam needs any ship, India should give that ship also. If it is if we want to export that, India should export that, and whatever necessary things needs for a Vietnam, India should give. And same thing happened with Indonesia. China is encroaching Indonesia territory also. As of now, we all know. And Indonesia has given access of Sawang seaport to India and Indonesia is having a strategic partnership for India. So we should give all possible support to Indonesia, to Taiwan, to Tibet, to Hong Kong. And as a Indian citizens, yes, as a Indian citizens, what we should do? I am telling you something about that. As of you, all of you know that China is having trade imbalance with India, that is $60 billion. $60 billion is huge amount. You can think that Pakistan is asking from IMF $5 billion every day, and whatever IMF is dictating, Pakistan government is doing that. Yes, you all of you know that in economic field. So it is biggest amount. We as an Indian, we should boycott Chinese product. Yes, at any cost we should boycott Chinese product in all possible way. As of you, all of you know, because by buying Chinese mobile, by buying Chinese laptop and everything, we are buying bomb for our country, and that bomb will go to your offspring, even though to you also. Okay? It's bad for your children, it's bad for your future. So we should be united. And some of organization, China is, I am telling about to Indian minorities also, China is against of Muslim also. They have forced 1 million population of Muslim for conversion. They converted Muslim into different category and they stopped them to doing everything whatever needs in Islam. So everyone should be united. I am saying about that. As you all of you are Indian citizen, we all of you are Indian citizen, we live peacefully in India. Whatever differences we have, it's our differences. Okay? Hope Indian government will do this and we will do this and we will be giving befitting reply to China. And lastly, I am saying to world, China is enemy. China is not a problem for India. China and Chinese Communist Party is problem for all over the world. You should wake up, and whatever organization world will make against of China, India should be part of that. and India should give importance to Quad, India, China, Japan, and Australia, which is made against of China. Yes, hope we will contain China in nice manner, or our Indian citizen will give befitting reply to China. Till now, if you are listening my videos, I am thankful to you. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.